Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this maths question. A rectangle has a length of x plus 3 meters and an area of x squared plus x minus 6 meters squared. Find expression for the breadth of the rectangle and simplify. So we know that for area of rectangle is equals to length times breadth. So you take the length times the breadth, that will give you the area of the rectangle. So now we know the length. Okay, but we are not sure of the breadth. Okay, so the area is given as x squared plus x minus 6. So we'll need to factorize this in order to find the breadth. Okay, let's look at how to factorize this. So we have x and x on the left-hand side. Then on the right, we'll take 3 multiplied by 2. So x times x will get x squared. 3 times 2 will get 6. But this is a negative 6. And here we will need a positive x. So we'll need a positive here and a negative here. So we'll get a negative 6. So let us check. So we'll have 3x over here. Here will be minus 2x. So 3 minus 2 will be x. Okay, that is correct. X over here. So the two factors will actually be x plus 3 and x minus 2 over here. Will be equals to x squared plus x minus 6. So therefore, the breadth is x minus 2 meters. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.